Hello, I'm Alison. I'm back for Literacy Tuesday. Last week we talked about how fact books can make children's reading fun. And this week I'm going to talk about how you can bring a story to life using puppets and props and other objects. So here are some puppets that we have in the library. We have our dog. We have a bear. So what you can do, if you have puppets at home, you can use them to read along with the story with your child. So for example, the bear would feature in a book like this. And if you don't have puppets, you can always use your own children's cuddly toys to read along with the book. So for example, when my son was very young, we happened to have his beloved doggy, which matched very well with Shirley Hughes's Dogger. And you can see the resemblance there. Here's another example. We have a crocodile, and I just happen to have a crocodile here. So the child reads along and uses the puppet or the toy to read along with the story, maybe make voices, move around and get engaged that way. So when you put together a set of items related to a story, it's sometimes called a story sack. Psychologists have discovered that learning and memory work better when something is relevant and means a lot to you personally. And learning also works better when you use what they call elaboration. So that just means making lots of links and associations. People also learn differently in different modes. So for example, with touch, seeing, hearing, movement, and even taste can help learning. So you can see how story sacks could help with this. You can make your own story sacks at home, and here are some ideas for you on that. You can get different family members involved with different characters. Each child can listen out or read along, and they can do their turn, do the voices and the actions of their story and puppet along the way. Or you could group a few small real life items like a ball, a hat or an apple, and you can get your child to pick out which one is on the page at a particular time. Or you can just simply sit the family teddies around and read them a story. All these activities will make the story and the words more relevant, more real, and more importantly, a lot more fun. And lastly, you might recognise, up the right way, Penny and Donal from the library. They've been helping us with our story times in the last few months. So perhaps you can get inspired and make your own storytime videos at home with your favourite toys. So have a go at reading along with objects and toys around your home and see how you get on this week. And we'll include links below to help you out with that. So bye for now and good luck with everything.